Today we talk about how can you disable visitors notifications on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go down, click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to visitors, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean visitors notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.